In this video, we will show you how to add transition in Wondershare Filmora video editor. To add transition in video using Wondershare Filmora video editor, it's very easy. First, you need to open your Wondershare Filmora video editor first. Please wait until the loading process is done. And after that, we can adding one video or some video. Then we need to split them if we just have one video. For example here, we add one video. Okay, I want to add this video, and we can just drag into the timeline like this, and you can match into the media or keep project settings. I want to match the media. To add the transition, we can use this to zoom to fit the timeline. Okay, to add the transition, we can just split the video if our video is one, because the transition is transition between first and the second video. Okay, we can just click, and after the video is splitted like this, you can select transition, and in here you can have your own transition by clicking its favorite like this. Okay, for example, we have the favorite transition. We can just add the transition and at the center of between two video like this. Okay, for example here, let's play. Okay, that's how you can add transition. And how to delete the transition, you can just click the transition here, or you can also adjust the time for the transition like this. Okay, let's play again. Okay, and to add your transition, for example, we can just go to the transition here and select the transition we like. For example, here, just you can preview by clicking this. Okay, you can see, and you can add into the favorite by clicking on the star, so you can have on the main type here. Then we can add this transition. Okay, and that's all how to add transition in Wondershare Filmora video editor. If you have done your job, you can just click export and you have the result of your video with transition. And that's all. Tutorial how to add transition in Wondershare Filmora video editor. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comments comment below, and thanks for watching.